everyone, welcome to ZILTX. My name's Paul, and I'm here to help you get started. ZILTX is a platform that was designed to connect manufacturers, engineers, machinists, and entrepreneurs with trusted suppliers. And in this video, I'm going to guide you through the quick and easy process of signing up. First, head over to the ZILTX landing page. On the top right-hand corner, you'll see the sign up button. Once you click the sign up button, the sign up pop-up will appear. This is where we ask you to enter in your desired email and password. Once you've hit the sign up, an email will be sent to you with a verification code. The verification code is used to validate that you're an actual user, to confirm your identity, and to ensure that your account is secure. Once you have the PIN available to you, please enter it in and press verify. This will bring you to the next stage of the onboarding process, where we ask you for a little bit more information about your business. We ask this information to tailor the experience specifically to your needs. Once you hit submit, you'll be redirected to select a plan that aligns with your business goals and requirements. Once you've selected a plan that meets your goals and requirements, you'll be sent to a Stripe checkout page. Once you've completed the Stripe checkout, you'll be redirected back to ZILTX to enjoy all the features and functionalities that are available to your account. For more how-to videos, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and subscribe also to our community.ziltex.com.